So after we got installed our i3 window manager, we have to figure out how to install Bumblebee status bar. And first thing that we ought to do is to appeal to this web page. Let me make it a little bit bigger. And it declares that we can have installed the Bumblebee status bar with pip Python package manager. Let's go and try to do that. Let me make it a little bit bigger. Like that. And straight away it said that we don't have right to install it in a direct environment, kind of error, externally managed environment. And I don't want to figure it out. It's pretty hard to do. I know that they created another package manager. It's called pipex. Let's try to check, do we have that freaking pipex or not, what we have right now. So we got version 1.4.3, whatever. Okay, let's try to do the same, but right now with the pipex package manager. It says that we don't have the flag. We can't use the flag user here. Let's get rid of it. Check it out. I got it installed. So right now, instead of this wonderful line that you can see at the bottom of my screen, we will get Bumblebee status bar. And as this terminal cleared, we got Bumblebee status globally available. Let's check it out. I just will go to my config file. My config files, i3. Over here we got i3. Getting straight to the bar definition, and as I know, we have to change this bar to the bar that this site gave us. What we have here, this as a simple example, this is what my i3 configuration looks like. Let's go take this one and I'll check what we have. Let's put it here and command this part. Let's see, refresh the page. So we got error, status command not found. Over here, if you can see in the top, at the top of the screen, error, status command not found, or is missing in library dependency. Oh gosh, what can we do? Let's go to our Bumblebee executable files. Check what can happen, what can be over there. I can't even know. It's harsh. Where are they? No, .local.bin. Over here we got those two. Check the path where those files are. Over here we got the files open in the terminal. Yeah, and as we can see, they all Bumblebee CDL, Bumblebee status, they are all executable X and Python 3, Python 12. I don't know, maybe I don't have Python 12 that they rely to it. Let's start the freaking Bumblebee. Let's check it as it is. Let's start it just from here. It got the mistake, the blah blah, and over here we don't have class at3 object, important core.
By the way, Python 3.
Python 12, my Python 12. What's the problem? I can't understand. It's hard deal to figure it out. I don't even know what to do, and I don't even want to ask a bullhead artificial intelligence. At least let's check, does this Bumblebee status located in virtual environment, does it have some themes? They are present over here, so I don't know what to do. They are present. How to connect them with this freaking environment? Hell no, I don't know. Let's go check another way to install it. Let's get rid of this one. Uninstall. Bumblebee uninstalled. Lost. We got lost one option. We got lost two already options. Pip and Pipex. Let's try another one. This git clone git. So after long cumbersome crawling through all the options how to install this Bumblebee package, I figured out that you can do it by two ways. The first way, over here you can see the command that you have to enter in your terminal. Go with this command, this Bumblebee will be installed Linux system. And the important detail is that you will get the Bumblebee status file. You will get it in this direction, ubuntu/user/bin, as well as another executable Bumblebee CDL or something, I don't remember for sure. So next way, easier way, I think. Let's go back to our home directory. You can easier just clone this link. Let's clone it straight into our home directory. It's gonna be cloning, and nothing is going. So we have to, you can't clone it as it is. You have to change this onto HTTPS and start to clone this. As you see, it's cloning. We got it. And for the sake of greater convenience, we can just take this. I told you to take and move it into the .config direction. And right now we got it over here. But it asks us about i3 config file, where we have to declare the running of our status bar. So what do we have to do? We have to, right now we want to go into our Bumblebee and find here this file and write the take this path and put it straight into our config file. Home Alex. So get rid of this part like that. Config, refreshed, we get nothing. Bumblebee status, Bumblebee status and Bumblebee status over here. We got a little mistake. More than there, we got a director Bumblebee status file like that. Let's check it. Yeah, finally we got it. At least some changes we already have seen. And so what next? I think that this red error label we got of cause of some of those lines. So let's get rid of this one of those lines. Let's get rid of this one. Check it up over here. So need this enable to load module. So we got one module turned on. At least already something. Check it out. So it was that freaking DNF module. So over here it's a theme. This flag stands for theme name, and theme name right now is Solarize power line. Let's change it to my previous machine. I had the Solarize power line. Solarize. What's the name? Right now I want to install Groovebox power line light. Yeah. Over here DNF. Let's see what's this DNF abbreviation stands for. Let's go straight to. So by the way, if we're talking about this way of installation, I tried to do that, and as you saw before, pip does want to work. Pipex works, it installs as in independent virtual environment, but it can't work because I have Python version 3.12, but this Bumblebee status works only with versions of 3.4 and 3.9. So I'm out of the supported version of Python, unfortunately. And to create virtual environment with pipex, and to put the 3.7 version of Python, it's a pretty cumbersome task. I wouldn't suggest you do that. I tried a little bit of 20 or 25 minutes. There is no result. I don't need to spend much time on it. So let's jump to the next step. Look over here. So we have to change our list of modules. And what kind of modules do we have there? Let me see quickly. DNF. Let's get rid of this quickly. DNF. And look on the page, what do we have here? DNF package. Package update information. Security blah blah requires the following executable. DNF. I don't have it, so it means that this is the reason why I get this. Let's look at what we have here. It seems that, yeah, display the name, IP address, and status for each available network interface. Let's go. So Nick over here unable to load module. It's of cause of this dependency. Requires the following Python module. Let's check. Let's try to install this dependency with a module, Python module with pip. See, pip. What is that? Like that. Let's try. Oh, it doesn't work. Freak. God damn it. Okay, so you can see what the request must be. I basically was basing on the response that they gave me, kind of that. Try to install Python packages system wide. Try install apt install Python 3 hyphen and the name of the package. So it seems turned out to be working. Let's check. Do we have right now updated Nick module over here? Yeah, exactly, this working. So in this manner you gotta go and add each module. There are lots of modules that you can use. It's I think that I'll create another video just with going through those modules. Right now I need to install additional language module, and we will go through all of that. So you see, it's not so easy as they show you it is. Absolutely not. You have to spend your priceless time. Let's go. So to the next time. Bye guys.